In this video, I will show you how to connect Instagram to Facebook page. First, open your Instagram app and make sure that you're logged into your account. And you need to make sure that your Instagram account is a business account. This is essential because only business accounts can connect to a Facebook page. Now click on your profile icon, which you will find at the bottom right corner. Now click on three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Now in the settings, scroll down and look for account types and tools. Click on it and then choose switch to professional account. And then follow the prompts by tapping continue. Now choose whether you identify as a business or a creator and then click on next. And with that, you have now set up your professional account. Now go back to your profile and you will find this professional dashboard in your profile. Click on it. In the top right corner, click on the gear icon to access your settings. Now scroll down and you will find this option of connect. Click on it and you will see the option to connect or create a Facebook page. Now, if you already have a Facebook page, then simply click on connect button. And if you do not have a Facebook page, and then you can create a Facebook page here.